the temple, the Garifuna temple, our ancestors home, a Dabuyaba from Chevecha in La Buga, Guatemala. And this is bringing our ancestors from the coast of Guatemala or Central America in general to Yurume. Okay, everyone, as we get off, we're going to spread a little bit of sand that comes from Central America to Yurume. And when we leave here, we're going to do the same when we get to our countries. We're going to take from Yurume to spread a bit in our countries. So as we get off, grab a bit of sand and spread it in the sea water as you get off. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, live on 91.7 FM. DYFA Garifuna radio station. Well, one go there. One you go, one more no. To look at what the Valley South. We Mariano Wadimano. Well, we know what the Sago did again. That we about church again. No, we go to the Muso. Yeah, Valley South home. One you go. Who soon dale wa come so yage Louis di Balisorogo hey Kalam Kabaleo Lobe Warai Parona Mariano, that's Miguel, very, very special guy in our community, a very spiritual guy, very important to us. So see him here, help him out, blessing everything, blessing the path of the Garifuna people coming to Valley South. So we want to thank him as well, doing a wonderful job so far. So Wegi Afumia, and here band the Egini, Lu Wegi. Daddy,
I came here to give CPR.
Okay. Get that beer again. Guy, you there? Yeah. So we're getting ready to eat, right? Very anticipation has been building up for us to reach on our island. But the anticipation is here. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, that's Matty right there. That's the Vinci group right there. I want to say a wonderful morning. People out here so quick, yeah. Balisorogo. Yeah, the Wafa Hayage. Lo, mensaje le wish go ya lo hagamuni. To more hamage. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say good morning. A beautiful day. What a beautiful day. We're gonna be right back, alright?
No, Egini.